The head of UNAIDS Winnie Byanyima says Gilead could bring the AIDS pandemic towards an end if the U.S. pharmaceutical giant opens up access to its game-changing new HIV drug. Winnie urged the firm to make history by allowing generic manufacturing of lenacapavir, a twice-yearly injectable antiretroviral medication used to treat HIV patients. She urged Gilead to open up lenacapavir to the UN-backed Medicines Patent Pool international organizations, whereby cheaper generic versions could be sold under license in low- and middle-income nations. While around 10 million people with HIV still need to be reached with antiretroviral therapy, around 30 million are on such treatment. The executive director of the Joint Nations Program on HIV and AIDS, Winnie, said this was only possible thanks to innovations from pharmaceutical companies like Gilead.
I think Gilead has an opportunity to take us closer to ending AIDS as a public health threat. They can make history with this, not only by putting it out there as a preventive tool for everyone who needs it all over the world through generic production, but also licensing it for everything, not just for prevention, but also for treatment. Today, Gilead's product, lenacapavir, is actually so highly effective. It's in a different category of preventive medicines. Condoms are there, oral PrEP is there, they are also effective, but lenacapavir is so super effective. The people who need it the most are those people hiding from the law, gay men, trans women, who could come out just twice a year to get their injection and be safe. It is young girls and young women in Africa who are the most vulnerable to HIV.
Lenacapavir was approved for use for HIV patients in the United States and European Union in 2022. It is available from around $40,000 a year in the United States. It is also being tested for potential pre-exposure prophylaxis PrEP use to prevent people without HIV from getting the virus, with very promising interim results.